I hate myself. C++. Wow, I hate this more. Friends, how did you write this code so beautifully? Me, proudly. I stole it. Using 2 tape characters instead of 6 space characters saves 4 bytes of memory. Clicking a link to an interesting article. Please disable ad block to continue viewing this website. Overflow visible. Programmers are too powerful. I'm looking for a new job. Sure, just need you to take 2 assessments, a tech screen, then we'll want 3 interviews, then maybe we'll consider you. Never mind, I accepted a job at another company that offered what I wanted after 1 interview. No, you were supposed to jump through hoops to prove your worthiness. Learning JavaScript is like looking both ways before you cross the street, and then getting hit by an airplane. I don't know what I did, but it works. Please don't modify it.
Perfection.
Recruiter, so what is your expertise, front-end or back-end? Dev, I consider myself a full-stack developer. Recruiter, okay, writes good at neither. For a work-related question for you. Is Java or C++ like just to flex on other people? Like why not use Python? I am Nan, you are Nan, we are not the same. C# in a nutshell. C# in depth.
Something's wrong, I can feel it.
I like men who take risks. I'm betting my entire career on a JavaScript framework created by Facebook.
We will watch your career with great interest.
I'm playing a relatively new game and it's still a little buggy, so whenever there's a glitch or something, the devs want you to email them about it. So my game crashed and deleted my save file, and when I sent the devs an email about it, got this back. Well, that's terrifying. Friend, you can't just make a meme out of hex values. Me, observe. A man of culture I see. What's the big O notation for this meeting with 6 people that could have been an email? I wanted to address my nephew as a zombie, but he ended up looking like a full-stack developer. Using master as the default branch. Using main to support inclusive naming conventions. Using main because it's 2 less characters to type.
Professionals have standards.
Setup debugger. Print. Me. Ancient computer programmer. What the frick is a Mishaps? Anyway, here is my 300 punch card bug-free program. Modern software developer. This IDE has no dark mode. Screw zodiac signs. How do you handle your return? Is 400 a lot? Depends on the context. Warnings? No. Errors? Yes. First time I crash production server. 26th time I crash production server.
I don't really care what happens here.
Son, one day you'll be a man. Dad, I'm 32, but you can't build a website without Wix. Client, why don't you clearly understand my requirements? His requirement. Programmer, who is your favorite? Sweetie, I love you both equally. It's you, and by a lot. When mum calls you by your full name. System int 32. Int, frick. Hey, can I copy your homework? Sure, just make it look different so that it doesn't look like you just copied it. Sure thing. JavaScript bad. Boo, get better material. PHP bad. Senior dev, work on this task. Junior dev, what if I get stuck? Senior dev, ask me if you get stuck. Few minutes later. I'm stuck, step mentor. I didn't like having to work from 9-5 every weekday, so I quit my job and became a freelancer. Now I work 24/7. This code is self-explanatory and doesn't need comments and other hilarious jokes you can tell yourself. Professor, today we'll learn about object-oriented programming, cars and pets. My time has come. Actually well thought out error handling. Try all my code, catch print frick. Bits are numbers, just ones and zeros. They are stored physically, so they have mass and volume. Software engineer's dream seen by a software engineer. Software engineer's dream scene by a HR manager. When you need to implement a new feature but deadline is tomorrow. Showing somebody my code. It ain't much, and it doesn't work. Stack Overflow. I have a question. My Python checking my Python code. Programmers. I'm a genius, I suck. Using the caps lock. Holding shift the whole time while typing. Wait, it's all just a website. Always has been. JSON. JSON stringify. Why isn't my code working? How is my code working? Perfectly balanced. What's your major? IT. Like the clown? Yes, but scarier. The prof. Me. My parallel algorithm that should not work. SQL. SQL. Squeal. If your mum was a class, her insert method would be public. Finally, some quality memes. Manager, did you finish your task? Yes. Yesterday found a new bug, fixing it. You a team. Coders. The HR. Project manager. Investors. How the courses talk about programming. What it looks like in real life. Me trying to remember how to center a div. Maturity is when you hate each and every language equally, but JavaScript more. Me thinking about the keyword I searched in Google that took me to the right Stack Overflow page. When you write code without reading the documentation, but somehow it still works. For your next game you must compose a regex from memory and have it work on the first try. Me every time I need to use a regex, so I copy it from a conveniently specific Stack Overflow post.
I like your funny words, Magic Man.
Me trying not to abstract too much too early. My code. Junior dev, how did you do that part? Senior dev, the solution lies in a secret strategy known by all programmers called, get an external library to do it for you. Evil programmer, it works in all machines, but not in mine. My computer for no reason. My computer after a restart. Coding. Debugging. Git, my new coworker. Emailing zip files. JS devs when we start using TypeScript. Whoa! You made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!